Welcome to Hey Kids, Let's Draw.
Welcome to Hey Kids, Let's Draw. Hello, Ava. How are you tonight?
Good.
And what do you have on your pajamas?
I have Elsa and Anna.
Elsa and Anna?
And I have these leaves.
What do you like about Elsa and Anna?
Because my favorite thing is Elsa, because Elsa is my favorite character, and she's pretty because she makes ice.
She makes ice?
Yeah.
And we love to play in the snow, huh?
Yeah.
So what are we gonna draw tonight?
Elsa!
Elsa! Okay, thanks for joining us on Hey Kids, Let's Draw. Let's draw Elsa. Hey everybody, welcome to Hey Kids, Let's Draw. And we're gonna draw Elsa. Elsa, we're gonna start with a black Sharpie marker. And right here, I'm going to draw a face, a chin, okay? It's like a big U. Ready? I'll draw it up high. Can you draw a U? Good job. That's gonna be perfect. Okay, and we're gonna draw a circle for an eye over here. One circle. And over here we're gonna do the second circle, same size. All right, so let's draw the highlight. So we'll do a circle inside, and let's color this black. And this is Elsa for kids, huh? Kind of a fun.
Yeah, but not for big kids.
But not for big kids, huh?
Yeah, just for little kids.
Just for little ones? All right, good job. Can you draw the other eye?
Yeah.
Do a highlight and draw it black. Good job. Can you color this eye? Color it black? Good job, that looks great.
We don't need little ones.
No. And we did Ariel, and you can visit our channel to see Ariel in the same style. And I'm going to draw a couple of eyelashes. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You want to do 3 eyelashes, little ones? Good job. And the other eye, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Awesome. Let's do the nose. We'll do a little nose like that, like a little rainbow nose. And now we're going to do a mouth. So I'm going to follow me. Here we go. I'm going to go smile mouth. And we're going to go down and over.
That's a little one.
Okay, I'm going to do a little tongue in there and color the rest of the mouth black. All right.
Wait for me.
I'll wait for you. You're doing so good. Next we're going to do, as she colors, we're going to do the hair. So keep going, and I'll start the hair.
Hold on, I'm not ready.
Okay. We'll wait for you. I'm going to do a dot right here, and this is where the hair is going to start. We're going to go up and over. And come down 1. Over. Down. Over. Okay. And we're going to do a neck here. We're going to go down, down. Okay. And this hair is going to come right here and stop at the neck. So here we go. Watch this. Bring it down and stop at the neck. And that's going to be her hair swooping over her shoulder. So let's go to the top here, and we're going to go kind of a little swoop. And then right here, we're going to go over and down. Good job. How's it going? Do you like Elsa's drawing so far?
Yep.
Okay. Now we're going to go start here at the point right here. We're going to go down. She always has this piece of hair that kind of curls in her face. And we're going to meet the face. Good job.
I want her hairstyle to be like this.
Okay. And we're going to connect the rest of her face up to this hair. So At least I am. If yours is already connected, you're just fine, no worries. Okay, so now we're gonna draw the big braided swoop. Here we go. We're going down and over. And I'm gonna draw 1, 2,
1, 2,
3,
3,
4,
4.
and then a big ponytail. Okay, and let's match that over here. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is going to connect to the ponytail right here. See the ponytail come down?
Yeah.
You're doing so good. You having fun?
Yep.
Okay. Now let's connect the top of this hair. I'm going to go...
No.
Can you connect that to the point? And then up here we go one more. We go up and over. Good. So the ponytail, I'm not very good at drawing ponytails, but let's see what we do. So let's connect this to that, and this to that, and this to that, and maybe this to that. Yeah, anyway, it gives an illusion of a ponytail. All right, if you guys can do better ponytails, go for it. All right, so now we're gonna do the arms coming down. Actually, we're gonna do...
Not ready.
Not ready? Okay. We're gonna do one arm coming out off of this shoulder, this ponytail. It's gonna go down and over. And this one's gonna kind of match down and over. Here we go. Start of the neck and go shoulder, down. Good. And we're gonna do a curve up. And another one over here, a curve up into her ponytail. Okay, looking good. Now Elsa's dress, let's do it. We'll draw a dot. Bless you! Oh my goodness! Do you have Elsa's ice in your face? Okay, we'll do a swoop up to her shoulder.
Wait, I don't have a shirt.
Okay, draw the shirt.
I'm going to do this.
Good job. Good job. And then another one over here. And we're gonna keep going. This is fun stuff. Okay. We'll draw her waist down. And then her dress is gonna go big out. Here we go. Big dress out. Good. It's okay. And bring it over here. Go up.
I'm doing it like this.
You're doing so good. Bring this down. Out here. And then we're going to connect it. So come down and draw a big swoop to the point. Good job. Okay. I'm going to make this point go up here. And then
Mine is tiny.
I'm just going to do that right in the bottom.
Mine?
And then in the back we're going to draw this cape kind of thing. So a cape that comes behind her back, out, and connect it to the dress. Same thing over here. We're going to do the other side of the cape. Come out, connect it to the dress. All right. That looks like we got Elsa. What do you think? Should we
Good.
color this thing?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Say fast forward.
Fast forward.